Hello everyone, welcome to Nagesh Karizgi Arcade School. I am Pooja Rajmane. I am your computer teacher. We started our lesson number 7. Right? What is the name of lesson? Introduction to Programming. We started this lesson. Why program is important in computer? Because computer does not having its own brain. It is not thinking its own. That's why we must have to keep one program or software inside the computer, and we must have to give the proper instruction to the computer, and for each and everything planning is very important. Now we will solve skill sheet of this chapter. We will solve here. Open page number 23 from your skill sheet. Everyone open first page number 23. What is the first one? To make a jam, butter, cheese and sandwich. How to write the procedure of to making the jam, butter and sandwich. It is the first one. This read one. We will solve skill sheet of this chapter. What is the first one question? Read loudly. Rewrite the step in the correct order to plan a birthday party. Means they are given some steps, but these steps are not a correct way, not in correct number. Then we have to give the correct number to that step. What is the first one? Read loudly. Book the party hall at a venue. Plan a menu. Send a card to your friend. Decide the venue, date, time. Check the availability of the venue. Design the invitation card. Make the list of friends to be invited. These are steps, and we have to rewrite the steps in correct order. We have to give the correct order to that step. What is the first one step then? Decide the venue, date, time. Firstly, we have to decide the venue, date and time. Then check the availability of the venue. Check the availability of the venue. Then third one, book the party hall at the venue. Fourth one, plan a menu. Fifth one, design the invitation card. Then second last, make a list of friends to be invited. And what is the last one step? Send the card to your friend. If you are not complete with me, then no problem. I will send you PDF. That time complete the skill sheet. Now only write down the number, means which number is first. Decide the first menu. This one first. Then write in front of your first. Then afterwards complete it. Otherwise I will send you PDF. That time complete it. What is the first one? Decide the venue, date, time. Check the availability of the venue. Book the party hall at the venue. Plan a venue. Plan a menu. Design the invitation card. Make a list of friends to be invited. Send a card to your friends. First one clear everyone? Which step it is? For preparing for planning a birthday party. Write down fast. Write down fast. try to complete here only, but if you not complete with me, then I will send you PDF, that time complete in your skill sheet. Now second one, rewrite the step in the correct order to grow some fenugreek, means what? Methi, in a small pot at your home garden. Means how to plant a fenugreek in a home garden. Which step they are given? First they given, buy the pot for planting, place the pot outdoor. Third one, water the plant regularly for 5 days. Fourth one, buy the fenugreek seeds. And last one, plant the fenugreek seeds. Now, what is the correct steps? Which one is correct step? First one, good, buy the fenugreek seeds. Then buy the pots for planting. Third one, plant the fenugreek seeds. Fourth one, place the pot outdoors. And last one step, water the plant regularly for 5 days. The given steps are not correct and we have to write the correct step. Then what is the first one? Buy the fenugreek seeds. Write down fast. Buy the fenugreek seeds. Buy the pots for planting. Buy the pots for planting. Plant the fenugreek seeds. Place the pot outdoors. Water the plant regularly for 5 days. Write them fast. We have to write only correct order. Means which step we have to do first, which step second, which step third. Means how we can, if we want to brush our teeth, then how to do? Firstly, take a brush, then wash it first, apply a toothbrush, brush your teeth and rinse your mouth with water. Second example also we discuss. Which one? For planting a holiday. For planning a holiday. How to plan a holiday? Firstly, decide the place. Then plan the date. Third one, plan a time. Decide the mode of transport. And last step is decide the date of return. How we are planning these steps? Same like that. They are given how to plant a fenugreek. The steps are given, but it is not in a proper order. We have to write these steps in a proper order. What is the first one? Buy the fenugreek seeds. Buy the pot of planting. Plant the fenugreek seeds. Place the pot outdoors. And last one step, Water the plant regularly for 5 days. Then we will get a fenugreek. Finish writing, write down fast everyone. Now, third one. What is the third one question? Everyone having skill sheet, read third one question. Here are the steps to get ready for a birthday party. Means everyone like to go for birthday party. What is this first step? What is the second step? They given the step and we have to arrange this step. They are not in a correct order. Means these given steps are not in a correct order. We write the steps in the correct order. We have to rearrange the steps. How many steps are given? 7 steps are given already, and we have to rearrange these steps. Means which step is first number, which step we have to do for second number. We have to arrange this given 7 steps. Then read it. First one, comb your hair, take a wash, wear a new clothes, dry yourself, wear new shoes, pack the gift, wear accessories. Then what is the first number step? Which thing we must have to do first? First one is pack the gift. Before we get ready, we must have to do another work. Pack the gift. Then take a wash. First one thing is pack the gift, take a wash. Then third one, after taking wash, we must have to dry ourselves, dry yourself. Then when we take a wash, after drying, what we do? Yes, we wear a clothes, but here we are going for a birthday party. That's why we must have to wear a new clothes. Wear a new clothes. Wear a new clothes. Then fifth one, comb your hair. When we are going for birthday party, we must go in a proper way. Comb your hair. Then wear accessories. Wear accessories. Write down proper spelling. Wear accessories. And last one, when we are going outside, then what we are wearing? Yes, shoes or chappal. Then which step they are given? Wear the shoes. Then we must have to write wear new shoes, because we are going for the birthday party. Then when we are going outside, then we are wearing new things. Write down fast. For going to the birthday party, they are given some steps and we have to rearrange these steps. What is the first one step? Pack the gift. Everyone read with me. Pack the gift. Take a wash. Dry yourself. Wear new clothes. Comb your hairs. Comb your hair. Wear accessories. And last one thing is wear new shoes. Write down fast. Everyone read with me. Step 2. Get ready for birthday party. First one step is pack the gift. Everyone read. Pack the gift. Take a wash. Dry yourself. Wear new clothes. Wear new clothes. Comb your hair. Wear accessories. Last one step is wear new shoes. Finish question number 3. Write down fast. Now fourth one question. Fourth one question is in your page number 24 and you have to write answer on page number 28. Then we will read question. Mama want to bake a cake for some guests tonight. These are the steps to bake a cake, but in the jumbled order. Help Mama rewrite the step in correct order. Means how to prepare a cake. The recipe of the cake are given below. And these are jumbled order. This given is in a jumbled order and we have to help the Mama for correct step. For write this step in a correct order. Read first one. Everyone read with me. First step is buy the ingredients. Go to the market. Switch on the microwave. Mix the ingredients. Bake the mix in the microwave. Cut into pieces. Serve the cake. These steps are given below and we have to rearrange these in correct order. What is the first number step? For doing each and everything, what is the first one step? Yes, we must have to go in a market. What is the first one step? Go to the market. Second one, buy the ingredients. Write correct spelling when you are writing. Buy the ingredients. Mix the ingredients. Mix the ingredients. Switch on the microwave. When we are using microwave for baking, then we must have to preheat the microwave. That's why we have to, before keeping the mixed ingredients inside the microwave, we have to preheat the microwave. That's why switch on the microwave. Then bake the mix in the microwave. Bake the mix in the microwave. Then sixth one, when cake is ready, then we are excited for eating. Then we must have to cut into pieces, and last step is serve the cake. Now read with me. Go to the market, buy the ingredients, mix the ingredients, switch on the microwave, bake the mix in the microwave, cut into pieces, and last step is we are excited for eating, that's why serve the cake. Clear how to make a cake? First thing is, go to the market, buy the ingredients, mix the ingredients, switch on the microwave, bake the mix in the microwave, cut into pieces, and last step is serve the cake. Now last one. Tina wants to create a school project on Chipko movement. She has jumbled all her steps. Help Tina by numbering and rewriting the step in the correct order. She wants to do a Chipko movement. She wants to do a project on Chipko movement, and some jumbled steps are given below, and we have to rearrange these steps. How to rearrange? Firstly, we will read given steps. What is the first one? Go to the stationery store. Go to the stationery store. Search for a content on the internet. Search for a picture on the internet. Download the information from the internet. Cut the stick picture in a scrapbook. Cover the book. Decorate the front cover. Buy the materials. Second last step is print the downloaded picture, and last step is write the text content in the book. Write the text content in the book. Some steps are given below and we have to rearrange the steps. What is the first one step? Search for the picture on the internet. We have to search. Why? Because for more information we have to search pictures on the internet. Second thing is search for content on the internet. Search for the contents on the internet. Next one, download the information from the internet. Why? Because we want to write. That's why download the information from the internet. Next one, print the downloaded pictures. We download the information and then print the downloaded pictures. Why? Because we want to stick this picture. Next, go to stationery store. This is all about the internet. Now we want some things. That's why we must have to go to the stationery store. Then buy the materials. Which thing we want for project? Buy that materials. Then write the text content in the book. Which information we downloaded from the internet? Write this text content in the book. Cut and stick picture in a scrapbook. Cut and stick pictures in a scrapbook. Which picture we downloaded or buy from the book, or buy from the store, that cut and stick in a scrapbook. Next one, cover the book. Cover the book. Why? To look more attractive. And last step is decorate the front cover. Decorate the front cover. Some given steps are, these are jumbled steps, and Tina wants to create a project on the Chipko movement, and some jumbled steps are given below, and we have to write this in a correct order. What is the first one step? Search for the picture on the internet. Next one, search for the content on the internet. Download the information from internet. Print the downloaded pictures. Go to the stationery store. Buy the materials. Write the text content in the book. Cut and stick pictures in a scrapbook. Second last one, cover the book. And last one, decorate the front cover. These are steps. Now, what is the homework for you? Read the lesson and complete the skill sheet. If your skill sheet you not complete with me, then I will send you PDF. That time complete your skill sheet. Next time, in next period, we will see our next chapter. Thank you.